NYC is giving up to $75,000, but most homeowners still struggle to fix basic things like roofs, plumbing, or boilers. The reason? Nobody explains how this actually works. It's not instant money. There's an application process, you need to qualify and follow steps. But if you get approved, this can cover major repairs you've been putting off for years. If you own a home in NYC, don't ignore this. Look into the home repair grant before funds run out.